This video will focus on the topic of molar mass and using it specifically as a conversion factor, not yet in stoichiometry. So the second half of this particular learning target, as simple conversion factors. So quick review, molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of any object. So it's the mass when you have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of that thing. And for chemicals and compounds, we find that information from the periodic table. So the molar mass of carbon, for example, is 12.011 as given on the periodic table. And if we had carbon in a compound, like carbon with 2 oxygens, we would just add up all their molar masses to get to the molar mass for that compound. The label on molar mass is grams per mole, and that allows it to be a conversion factor. So again, for example, for carbon, since it's 12.011 grams in every 1 mole, that's 12.011 grams in 1 mole, which means now this can be a relationship or a ratio that allows us to convert from one thing to a new thing. So every time we see a situation in chemistry where I am given one measured object, grams, and asked to solve for a new thing, moles, we will do that using conversion factors. So we can automatically set up that the label here is going to come down because that's how they cancel. They come down the roller coaster. And in this case then, what I'm trying to solve for is mole, and that will be on top. Well, when it comes to chemistry, if you see grams and you see mole, you automatically in your head will go to molar mass, because molar mass is the relationship between grams and mole. For this problem, the molar mass of magnesium chlorate is 191.211. So now that is for every 1 mole. And if I put it in my calculator, it'll be 2.23 times 1 divided by that number. The grams will cancel. I'll have my final answer in mole. This is 3 measured values, so my final answer will have 3 measured values, which means my final answer is this many, moles of the magnesium chlorate the problem asked about. So when we have a problem where we're just going from grams to moles or moles to grams of one single compound, we just use the molar mass. It's one single step, one single conversion. Gram to mole, mole to gram, molar mass is your key. That's it for this video. Have a nice night.